Okay, this video is how to decide if you're going to use FK or FS. Is it static friction or is it kinetic friction? So remember, static friction means it's not moving or not moving yet. Kinetic friction means that it is moving. And it can be moving at a constant speed or accelerating. It doesn't matter as long as it's moving. So static friction, here's some sentence starters or some key words that will be in the problem. So you need to read your problem carefully and decide if it's moving or not. So in static here, it says just starts to move. If a problem says that about a box, that means you're using static friction because you're looking at the box up to that point right when it started to move. If it says that the box is resting, that means you're using static friction. I mean, that's the definition of static friction. If it asks you how much force would it take to move this box, that's also static friction. That implies that it's not moving yet, and you have to figure out how much force it's going to take. And over to kinetic friction, if it says the box is moving, that's kinetic. If it says it's sliding at a constant speed, sliding means moving, so it's kinetic. If it asks how much force would it take to keep moving at a constant speed, that implies that it is already moving, so you're using kinetic friction. So read your problem carefully and think about, is the box moving yet? If it is, it's kinetic. If it's not, and we're trying to figure out how much force it's going to take to do that, then it's static.